Hello viewers, it's Ramadan and how can we not have Medu Vada for Iftar? For a family of 6, I take 1 cup mash dal and add 2 tablespoons of basmati rice. Now why do I add rice to it? The rice helps to give crunch to the vada. Add water, wash well and allow it to soak. Make sure you wash the dal a couple of times. Two hours later, I have taken half the portion of the dal in the mixture jar. To it, I am adding 1 teaspoon of peppercorns for spice. I am going to be grinding the dal in 2 different batches to get the right consistency. This is the second batch which I am mixing it with the first one. When you are grinding, make sure you add water little by little to get the right consistency. Do not be in a hurry and add excess water because it can ruin the batter. Now let's add salt. This is less than half tablespoon of salt. Open your fingers wide and mix it in a circular motion like I am doing it in the video because it helps to create air bubbles and the vada will be spongy from inside. Do it briskly for about a minute. Now let's add 1 finely chopped onion and finely chopped coriander leaves to the batter and mix it well. To start frying, dip your fingers in water, take the vada batter and make a hole with the thumb, add it to the hot oil. Every time you fry the vada, dip your fingers in water, take the mixture, make a hole with your thumb and add it to the oil. This is really a tricky part, but as and when you practice, you will ace it. Make sure the oil is hot when you add the vada. After some time, flip it to the other side, lower the flame to the medium and allow it to cook for some time. Towards the end, when the vada gets into the golden color, higher the flame again and take it off. So this is what you have to follow every time you fry. So this is the second batch I am adding the vada. The oil has to be hot. When you flip the vada, lower the flame to medium, allow it to cook for some time and towards the end, higher the flame, get the required color and take the vada off. Look at how crunchy the vada is. I tap it and I can hear the sound. This is really crunchy and soft from inside. Do try the recipe and let us know. Bye-bye.